Today I have a hot tip for you, and no, I'm not a celebrity telling you to invest in a bank stock that's about to collapse, but I do have a hot tip on something that can help you in tumultuous times. I'm talking about gold, and a specific type of gold that can be held privately, especially during political and economic challenge. We're gonna look at Mcalvany precious metals and a certain type of gold that you need to invest in. Let's jump in.
Investing Secrets with Kevin Attride.
So today I wanted to show you Mcalvany Precious Metals, and I know the CEO, David Mcalvany. He's a man of great integrity, and I really like what this firm is doing. And not only are they selling gold that can be used for IRAs, and if you especially want to pull your money out of the stock market and have it in alternative investments, you can use gold for your IRA. But I also wanted to show you the inside track that not many people know, but what's called semi-numismatic gold. If you know anything about coin collection, that's numismatics. Semi-numismatics is the mid-range between a newly minted coin and an extremely old rare coin. So we can see this $20 Liberty is from 1904. This is a semi-numismatic gold, and Mcalvany sells a number of semi-numismatics, not only American from nearly 100 years ago, but also Italian, Danish, other countries as well, British sovereigns, for example. But what's really impactful about semi-numismatics is the privacy provided. So when you do a transaction with Mcalvany, it's private between you and them, and the government need never know about this. So the transaction is private, and it becomes really important because in the 1930s, President Roosevelt in 1933 instituted this gold confiscation. So in the future, there could be the case of gold confiscation, knowing our currency challenges and the discussion of CBDC. So semi-numismatics become really important because this is not investment in gold. You are a coin collector in these rare coins. And in addition, if you want the inside track into semi-numismatics, the expert at Mcalvany who you really want to talk to is Kevin Orrick. He has nearly 40 years of experience working with semi-numismatics and understanding market volatility, and his eyes are wide open into how to keep your gold private, especially with semi-numismatics. So call Mcalvany ICA. There'll be contact details below this video, and talk about semi-numismatics to keep your gold private, because I want you to experience financial freedom.
The information contained in this episode are opinions not to be used as individual guidance. As always, consult your own financial team for your investment decisions.